In the vast, untamed wilderness, where the elements reign supreme, lies a marvel of creation, the wolf. For millennia, these majestic creatures have traversed lands sculpted by Allah, SWT, enduring fierce winters and scorching summers. But beyond their physical prowess, wolves possess an astonishing foresight, a divinely endowed ability to sense impending storms long before the human eye detects the first cloud. How do they achieve this incredible feat? It is a testament to the intricate design woven into their very being, a profound whisper of the wind that only they are privileged to hear. Humans rely on sophisticated technology to predict weather, yet wolves, without any instruments, navigate atmospheric changes with uncanny precision. This capacity highlights a fundamental difference in sensory perception, a reminder of how Allah, SWT, has blessed different creatures with unique ways to interact with His creation. While our senses are finely tuned for our distinct purpose, the wolf's sensory world is a symphony of vibrations, scents, and subtle shifts we often overlook. They live in a realm of information that remains largely invisible and inaudible to us, guiding their survival with every nuanced detection. One of the most remarkable abilities wolves possess is their sensitivity to barometric pressure. Long before the sky darkens, they can detect minute changes in atmospheric weight, feeling shifts in the air's invisible burden. This incredible internal barometer, a feature intricately designed by the Creator, allows them to sense the subtle rise or fall of pressure that heralds an approaching storm. It's not a conscious calculation, but an intrinsic, physical perception, deeply embedded within their physiology, providing an early warning system that is truly awe-inspiring in its simplicity and effectiveness. The implications of this barometric sensitivity are profound. By feeling these shifts, wolves can anticipate storms not just hours, but sometimes even days in advance. This foresight is a critical adaptation, a gift from Allah, SWT, that grants them precious time to prepare. It means the difference between being caught unprepared in a blizzard or finding safe shelter for the pack. Such an advanced warning system underscores the meticulous planning evident in creation, where every creature is equipped with the tools necessary for its survival in its appointed habitat. Beyond the visible and palpable, wolves also navigate a world of sound that lies far below human perception. They possess specialized ear structures that enable them to hear infrasound, very low-frequency sounds, below 20 Hz, which are imperceptible to us. These deep, rumbling vibrations are naturally produced by strong winds, distant lightning, and even seismic activity that often precede major weather events. While we might hear the rumble of thunder as it nears, wolves detect the silent roar of atmospheric disturbances traveling across vast distances, signaling a storm hours before it reaches their location. The Creator has endowed wolves with an auditory system that functions as a highly sensitive instrument, capable of picking up these minute infrasound signals. These low-frequency waves travel much farther and are less impeded by obstacles than audible sounds, making them an ideal medium for long-range weather prediction. This specialized hearing is not just about detecting noise, it's about interpreting the subtle, long-range indicators of atmospheric changes. It is a profound illustration of how Allah, SWT, furnishes His creatures with the precise tools they need, perfectly adapted to their environment and survival challenges. Another incredible sense in the wolf's arsenal is their exceptionally acute sense of smell. Designed by Allah, SWT, with millions of olfactory receptors, their noses are unparalleled chemical detectors. This allows them to perceive subtle changes in atmospheric chemistry that occur before a storm. They can literally smell the storm coming. This isn't merely detecting dampness, it's a sophisticated analysis of airborne molecules, a finely tuned ability that provides yet another layer of warning, reinforcing the idea of a creature perfectly equipped for its existence through divine arrangement. Specifically, wolves can detect the unique scent of ozone, a gas produced by lightning activity, often kilometers away. They also pick up on changes in humidity and other distinct aromas carried on pre-storm winds, such as the earthy scent of churned soil or vegetation stirred by rising air currents. This olfactory prowess offers a rich tapestry of information, allowing them to pinpoint the storm's direction and intensity. It is a powerful example of the intricate details woven into creation, where even air's subtle chemistry becomes a vital communication channel for survival, by Allah's SWT design. Beyond internal barometers and specialized ears, wolves also possess a highly developed sense of thermoception. Their sensitive fur and skin allow them to perceive subtle drops in temperature that often accompany incoming cold fronts or storm systems. This isn't just about feeling a chill, it's a finely calibrated biological sensor that registers even fractional temperature shifts, indicating a significant change in atmospheric conditions. This innate ability acts as an intrinsic warning system, a protective feature thoughtfully provided by the creator to guide their actions and ensure their safety. These minute temperature changes are crucial indicators. A sudden, unexplained drop in temperature can signal the leading edge of a powerful storm front, even before any visual cues are apparent. By integrating this thermal information with other sensory inputs, wolves develop a comprehensive understanding of their environment's evolving state. This multi-layered sensory approach demonstrates a holistic design, where various senses work in concert, each contributing to a robust and reliable early warning system against the harsh realities of the wild, all orchestrated by Allah's SWT, magnificent wisdom. Wolves are also masters at reading the language of the wind. They are acutely attuned to subtle shifts in wind direction and speed, recognizing these changes as precursors to weather shifts. A sudden calm, an abrupt change in wind direction, or a gradual increase in gust intensity all provide valuable data points. This ability to interpret air currents, like reading an invisible map, allows them to predict the storm's trajectory and severity. This attunement is a testament to the detailed consideration in their creation, ensuring they are perpetually aware of the dynamic forces around them. The changing patterns of wind are not just random phenomena, they are part of a larger atmospheric system, and wolves are designed to decode them. The shifts in air currents often precede the visible arrival of storm clouds, making the wind a crucial messenger. Their ability to integrate these subtle atmospheric messages with other sensory inputs paints a vivid picture of the impending weather. This complex interplay of senses provides a holistic forecast, allowing them to navigate their dangerous environment with remarkable skill, constantly responding to the signs that Allah, SWT, has placed in the world. Beyond their personal sensory prowess, wolves also observe the behavior of other animals. The creator has fashioned an interconnected ecosystem where the distress or altered routines of one species can signal danger to another. Birds suddenly taking flight, herbivores seeking shelter, or rodents retreating to their burrows all provide additional predictive cues. Wolves, being keen observers, interpret these collective reactions as confirmation of an approaching storm, adding another layer to their already sophisticated early warning system. This intricate web of interspecies communication is a marvel of divine design. Once these multiple signals converge, a powerful, divinely ingrained instinct takes over, the drive to seek shelter. Wolves do not linger, they immediately begin guiding their packs, sometimes over significant distances, to safer, more protected areas. This could be a dense stand of trees, a rocky overhang, or a hidden den. This instinctual response is not learned, it is an inherent blueprint for survival, a clear manifestation of Allah's SWT, profound guidance embedded within His creatures, ensuring their resilience against the harshest of natural challenges. This foresight is not merely for adult wolves, it is absolutely critical for the survival of their pups. Young wolves are incredibly vulnerable to harsh weather conditions, unable to withstand extreme cold, driving rain, or deep snow. The pack's ability to anticipate storms and move their young to safety is a cornerstone of their reproductive success and the continuity of their species. This protective design, ensuring the future of each generation, is a profound testament to Allah's SWT, wisdom in creating life with such inherent mechanisms for preservation. It is a cycle of life sustained by divine foresight. What emerges is a picture not of one single extraordinary sense, but a symphony of interconnected abilities. Barometric pressure, infrasound, olfaction, thermoception, wind patterns, and observational cues all converge, creating a multifaceted, highly redundant warning system. Each sense acts as a piece of an intricate puzzle, perfectly fitting together to form a holistic and robust understanding of their environment. This integrated design, where every detail serves a vital purpose, points to a creator who crafts with infinite precision and comprehensive wisdom, leaving no aspect to chance or random occurrence. Ultimately, the wolf's profound ability to sense a storm long before it arrives is a powerful sign, a clear demonstration of Allah's SWT, infinite wisdom and power as the creator. These aren't abilities that evolved through random chance, they are meticulously crafted features, perfectly suited for the wolf's survival in the challenging ecosystems they inhabit. Every specialized ear structure, every sensitive olfactory receptor, every nuanced internal barometer serves a purpose, showcasing a design so intricate and intelligent that it leaves no room for doubt about the source of such perfection. It is a call to reflect on the magnificent order of the universe. The wolf, in its remarkable capacity to foretell the wrath of nature, stands as a living testament to the divine intelligence that governs all creation. Their very existence, endowed with such sophisticated senses, invites us to pause and contemplate the grandeur and perfection of Allah's SWT artistry. Every rustle of leaves, every shift in the wind, and every subtle change in the atmosphere becomes a sign, urging us to recognize the Creator's hand in shaping a world filled with such wonders. Let us reflect on these marvels, and through them, deepen our appreciation for the boundless wisdom that permeates all of existence.